everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Getting a bit hot here in Michigan, so that's a bit of a bummer, but my basement where my studio is nice and cool. So I've got my art journal here, and I'm going to use the color meditation deck. I have a short out that flips through that really quickly. I can't remember if I've got the long version yet, but if it's not already on my channel, it'll be out sometime in the near future. And it's an art prompt deck that goes through. I'll leave a link below to where I got it, but it has all these different art prompts. And so this one with these sort of watercolor squiggly colorful lines. So I chose 3 colors, as you can see there, from my Gansei Tambi Kiritaki watercolor set. I have the whole set, and then I have the new new Art Nouveau. Oh boy, that's, you know what I'm talking about, the Art Nouveau set that came out with the sort of more muted colors. But so these are 3 colors from the original set of 100, I think it is, the one that kind of encompasses all the new ones. And my squiggly lines kind of turned into this, which is fine. I mean, the whole point of the art prompt thing is to sort of get your creative juices going. And I know it looks like a bit of a mess right now, but it turns into something. But so once I had that down and dried, I went ahead and went in with my white, I think that's my oil pastel, and just kind of matching some of those colors and getting a face going there. So something to stand out. I chose the oil pastel so that it would be something opaque on top of that bold color, giving her some colorful hair to match the background there. And then starting to take some colored pencils, because you can take colored pencils over oil pastel, and drawing the face. I'd like to take this time, if you would, to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be wonderful. Thank you so much for your kindness. That helps grow my channel and does help support making art. Artists, it's not a lucrative business, let's just say. So any little support helps. Thanks so much for that. I do have links below, affiliate links, as well as my Etsy and blog. All right, so I'm continuing just to layer and layer and layer until something sort of pops out of there. And now I'm going with a black oil pastel, giving her some like fluffy color, old school. This is like 1600s meets weird modern color. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So just layering things in, going in with my trusty white Posca pen. I love my Posca pens, and it just gives it a little pop. It's got that opacity and just kind of brings some definition to things. Got my black one out there trying to fix those eyes. I did kind of ruin her eyes in the end. Once you see the still photo, it's not too happy with what I did with the eyes there, but it's supposed to be a fun, quick art prompt. You know, it was fun. And I've got a Jane Davenport teal one there, which is also acrylic paint. And yeah, just continuing to layer, add some details, pull in some little colors here and there, trying to give some definition to that flower on top. And yeah, for those of you who aren't familiar with my channel, I do a lot of paper crafting as well, painting, art journaling, junk journaling. I'm also a writer, so I do have books published. You can check that out. So it's kind of whatever creative venue I'm inspired to work in that day, to be honest. And yeah, I enjoy it all. So again, continuing to layer and layer. And here's where the eyes get a wee bit heavy, but oh well. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to check out those links. Thank you so much for joining me.